Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rocio and this is Rizos Brazos, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the Herbal Essences Potent Aloe collections. This is going to be another review video for you all, and I'm really excited about this because I've shared little bitty hints and clues about some new products that I was testing out whenever I actually had time to wash my hair. Y'all know that I have a newborn and that I have very little time to wash and style my hair, but when I actually found the time to do so, y'all were really loving my results, and so was I, because my curls were really popping. Like, they were just spiraling back into shape, and I can attribute that to the products that I've been using and the products that I'm going to be talking about today. So I'm really excited about that. This video is sponsored by Herbal Essences, but just like all of my other reviews, the opinions are all mine. So let's go ahead and get started because I have a lot to share about these products. Okay, so first off, the Herbal Essences Potent Aloe collections, there's going to be something for everyone, whether it's scalp balancing, moisture, curl definition, frizz control, hair strength. The products that I use is mainly for curl definition, but it's important to note that in all the collections, the key ingredient is aloe vera. I don't know if y'all remember, but last year I did a video talking about the benefits of aloe vera for your hair. I gave a tutorial to show you how you can use aloe vera on your scalp and on your hair to promote hair growth, but there are tons of other benefits. You can use aloe vera if you notice that your scalp is really itchy, if you notice that it's really oily, it can help to cleanse your scalp and remove the excess sebum. Maybe if you've gone through heat damage and you're looking to repair your curls, aloe vera is really great when it comes to strengthening your hair. It does contain vitamins A, C, and E, which contribute to cell turnover. We're talking mainly about hair here, but remember, your hair comes out of your scalp. Your scalp is skin, and I don't know if you've ever used aloe vera on your skin, if you've ever had like a sunburn or something like that, to help soothe the skin, but also, again, to repair the skin. If you want to go the DIY route and you have an aloe vera plant and you want to cut it up and apply it onto your scalp and do all that process, then you can check out my video where I talk about how you can do that, or you can check out the Herbal Essences Potent Aloe collections. The shampoos in these collections are EWG verified, but the full line is PETA cruelty-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and free from mineral oils and dyes. Now, Herbal Essences did send me quite a few products to try out, but I want to talk about the ones that really worked for me and my curls. So I've been using the Herbal Essences Potent Aloe and Mango shampoo and conditioner. This is great for curl definition if you have naturally curly hair. The bottles are 13.5 ounces and they go for $5.99. To me, that's a really great deal considering the fact that there are tons of other products out there that are supposed to be targeted towards curly hair, and they don't leave your curls the way they've left mine. I've always known Herbal Essences to have great smelling products, and these smell fantastic. It has notes of pink grapefruit, white musk, and freesia. The smell does linger in the shower and also in your hair. I know that's a question that a lot of y'all normally ask. What I love about the shampoo is that it does a really great job at cleansing my hair, cleansing my scalp without leaving my hair feeling stripped. The shampoo is sulfate free. I know a lot of you all are always looking for really affordable sulfate free shampoos. So this is one that I would highly recommend if you're looking for a deep cleansing shampoo that won't strip your hair. The conditioner is one that leaves your hair really moisturized. It has really great slip. It makes detangling your hair in the shower a breeze. But to me, the hydration is what's most important. It does leave my hair really moisturized to the point where after I'm done washing my hair, my curls don't immediately frizz up. I feel like without even applying product, my hair just sort of clumps together. And to me, that's how I know that my hair has enough moisture. Now, Herbal Essences did also send me their botanical repairing mask from their argan oil and aloe collection. I really like this mask. I thought that this did a really great job at leaving my curls moisturized even more. And I also feel like it's helping with the strength of my hair. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but my curls just feel a lot fuller. They look a lot fuller. I don't use the mask with every single wash, but I do use the shampoo and conditioner together. As far as styling goes, they do have a curl cream, and I think it's a great product when it comes to defining your curls. For those of y'all who have been following me for a while, you know that I do love to use creams when it comes to stylers. But for me and my curl type, I do need a leave-in conditioner generally for usually any other product that I use, whether it's a cream, a gel, a mousse, or whatever it is. I tend to go towards a leave-in conditioner first before going straight into the styler. Now with this curl cream, I haven't had the need to use a leave-in conditioner first. I go straight into using this product, and I I get great results every time. I am new to this collection, but I have washed my hair and styled it 3 times so far, and each time I've gotten really great results. Now the tube does say define and refresh curls. I've only been able to get to day 3 hair, and on day 3 I do need a little more work with water and product, but y'all know what my days have been like anyway. By the time I get to 3rd day hair, my hair is up in a bun. I probably have a spit up in my hair from my baby. It's all a learning experience, okay? The curl cream is 6.8 ounces and it goes for $5.99. Overall, I'm just really impressed with the Herbal Essences Potent Aloe collections. Like I said, I tried the Potent Aloe and Mango collection, and then also the mask being part of the Argan Oil and Aloe collection. That's the Botanical Preparing Mask. I'll leave information to all these products down in the description box below. Huge thank you to Herbal Essences for giving me the opportunity to try these products. I do feel like I have some new favorites in my curl routine. I do plan on using these until they completely run out, because it does, like I said, smell. It smells amazing, but most importantly, it left my curls the way I wanted them to: defined, moisturized, with shine, with bounce, all the above. So give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. You can follow me on Instagram at Risa's Rizzos, and let me know in a comment below if you plan on trying any of the products in the Herbal Essences Potent Aloe collections. And that's basically it. I love y'all, un besito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.